This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Julie Sauer-Cacon. Low maintenance. This Spanish Colonial inspired courtyard home is practically brand new with endless upgrades. The spacious open floor plan includes a kitchen with white quartz, a huge island, porcelain farmhouse sink, dual-tone cabinetry, black stainless steel appliances, a walk-in pantry and cafe. Boasting high ceilings, 8 feet doors, 5.25 baseboards, champagne bronze light fixtures, engineered hardwood flooring/tile throughout. No carpets. A master with 2 walk-in closets, huge walk-in shower, garden tub and a romantic balcony overlooking the courtyard. Plenty of natural lighting with ample windows and 3 sets of French doors to the private paver courtyard. You will love the privacy. Plumbed for a summer kitchen and endless gas for your fire pit. Conveniently nestled across the street from Addison Club House, where the fun never ends with pickleball, tennis, basketball, 2 pools, activities, parks and more. A-rated schools, 5-star hospital, great restaurants, shopping and easy access to highways. For more information, review the details below.